7 lonely days and a dozen towns ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you'd run, but you're running too far from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride this lonely Kentucky back road. Loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and never here's another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes, searching for some old gray-bearded man sitting on a bench outside the general store. Yes, she's been here, but the memory wasn't clear. No way the day before. Finally thought alright, the preacher man who asked, when you're bound on such a cold dark afternoon. Drove through the rain, he listened as I explained, and then he left me